Unit 20 Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Introduction. Growing up is a natural process that takes place in all living organisms. All living organisms grow up to maturity, which is the ability to respond to a particular environment. Maturity, along with experiences, produces a progressive series of changes in an organism. These series of changes are called development. Different phases of human development are called developmental stages. Human developmental stages include infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, middle age, and old age. Among all these stages, adolescence is the most crucial and significant period of an individual's life. It is a period of transition from childhood to adulthood. This period starts at the age of about 10 to 13 and ends at the age of 19. Almost all of you would have entered this period now. In this lesson, you are going to study about the changes that take place in you. You will also study about the reproductive phases of human life, reproductive health, nutrition needs of adolescents, and personal hygiene during adolescence. Adolescence and puberty. The term adolescence is derived from the Latin word adolescere, meaning to grow or grow to maturity. During this period, changes occur in height, weight, sex organs, muscle mass, as well as in brain structure and function. Puberty is a period of few years in which rapid physical, physiological, and psychological changes occur, resulting in sexual maturity. The average age for the onset of puberty is 10 or 11 for girls and 12 or 13 for boys. Hormones play an important role at the time of puberty. Changes in hormones during this period trigger physical, behavioral changes. Sex hormones secreted at the time of puberty activate the male and female sex glands to produce necessary secretions in the body. The male sex glands, testes, release the testosterone, and female sex gland, the ovaries, release the estrogen. These result in changes in the primary and secondary sexual characteristics of the male and female. Body changes at puberty. 4 important changes that occur during puberty transform the body of a child into that of an adult. These changes are changes in body size, changes in body proportion, development of primary sex characteristics, development of secondary sex characteristics. Secondary sex characteristics. Secondary sex characteristics are the physical features which distinguish male from female. After the progression of puberty, boys and girls become dissimilar in appearance. The secondary sex characters are regulated by the hormones, the testosterone or androgen, secreted by the testes of the male, and estrogen secreted by the ovaries of the females. Androgens cause the growth of the larynx, muscle development, skeletal size, and distribution of body and pubic hair, and stimulation of sweat glands. Estrogen and progesterone are the female sex hormones. Estrogen stimulates the development of the breast, the external genitalia, pubic and axillary hairs, and the distribution of body fat. Secondary sex characteristics in boys and girls. In girls, height and weight increase. Fatty and subcutaneous tissue develop. Hip broadens. Hair grows in armpits and pubic area. Voice becomes shrill. Breast develops. In boys, height and weight increase. Muscles develop. Shoulder broadens. Hair grows in the armpits and pubic area. And facial hair also appears. Voice break takes place due to lengthening of vocal cord and enlarging of larynx. Size of the penis increases.